The following video has been provided in order to give a best practice guidance of how to fit a clip stud toilet sling. Please note that a general assessment must be conducted in all instances by a qualified carer or indeed clinician. Here we have a toilet sling with clip fittings and belt as shown. A demonstration of the clip, the Dosec clip in black and white fittings subject to size, is shown in the video. If the patient has some upper body strength, then please ask the user to lean forward slightly and slip the sling behind the back in an upright position. As with any toileting sling, the patient should have some upper body support, or this product is an incorrect product to be used. If the patient does require a little bit more support, then ensure the application is conducted in pairs. Through feed the belt, as shown in the video, and apply the Velcro. The Velcro acts to hold the belt in position, whilst the belt buckle is applied and tightened sufficiently to ensure the patient does not slip through, but also to ensure that the patient is comfortable. Then feed the leg sections and arm sections in an appropriate manner for the next stage of application. Lift the patient's limbs accordingly and slip the leg sections underneath, ensuring that the thighs or limbs or stumps are not nipped. Through feed the section of the clip, which may comprise of 1 or 2 sections on each area, through the modesty loop, and rest on each leg as shown. Then open the legs of the mobile hoist with a clip stud. Here is a clip stud fitting. Please note, a mobile hoist with a clip stud fitting should not be used on a loop type sling. Clip studs are only to be used on clip stud fittings. Loop slings are only to be used on loop type spreader bars. Here the clip is applied through the widest opening on the aperture at an angle approached and clipped down into the section as shown directly in the video. Please listen for the clip section applying into the smaller aperture. This identifies that the clip stud is securely home onto the spreader bar. Please note that the spreader bars available in the market from various suppliers do have different type studs sizes. Ensure the correct stud measurement is applied. This should be provided to Mackworth at time of order using form F23. Raise all aspects of the sling to take up the slack as shown, and elevate the patient off the chair, communicating with the patient at all times. The patient hands would then apply onto the sling or wherever they feel comfortable, ensuring that they do not get caught. Then we remove the sling with the legs open away from the chair. You would then apply the hoist to that of a commode or a toilet environment as required. For purposes of this video, we will now apply the patient back into the chair to demonstrate a full transfer. Again, with the legs open, approach the chair. In this instance, this particular hoist design is an up and down delivery, directly up, directly down, delivered onto the chair, the seating environment. Therefore, boom consideration into the chair does not need to be applied. Lower the patient into the chair as shown, reducing the slack. Then remove each of the clip studs accordingly using the handles provided. If you are unsure of what stud to use on which type of spreader bar, as mentioned, please complete form F23 with each order or contact www.mackworth-healthcare.com. Loosen the leg sections from the modesty loop as shown and remove each leg section, ensuring that you don't nip the patient's legs or limbs. Undo the buckle and release the Velcro. Ask the patient to lean forward if they're able-bodied and support them as required, removing the sling as shown. Thank you for watching.